It needs to be operational right now.
Alright, it's off.
Okay. So you can turn it off, but hold the radio and you're gonna man it for me. So just so everybody knows what we're doing here, we're doing a balance at the field. Everybody's wanted to see this, so I'm gonna do it while I'm here, so you can see it. Got my marker, so I'm gonna choose a spot here on the fan. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark this one blade, and that's the one we're gonna use for a reference. So we've already started. You ran it up and it sounds horrible, so Mikey, let's run up the fan really quick, very slowly. Just go to barely over idle. Right there, a little more. I don't know if you can hear, that's good enough, but it's terrible. So set your throttle cut.
Throttle cut on.
Okay, so let's start moving around. That's not very tight either. So move one over, I'm gonna move one over. There's 12 blades here, so we're going to go around each one. You can actually go in between spots too.
To see which one is the best?
Right, so we're going to do that first. Okay, so I just moved over one. Go ahead. Still bad. Okay, so let's throttle cut on. So every time you're going to set the throttle. Technically, we shouldn't do it this way. This is not the safest, but if we've got somebody with the safeguard, the throttle cut, we're good, so we're just going to do that. Normally, you have gloves on. Safety glasses. I do have glasses on. You have safety glasses and gloves.
Three, two, one.
Okay, stop. Okay. Another one over. Okay.
3, 2,
1. Keep going. This is a lengthy process. Sometimes it doesn't take as long as you think. You just got to be patient. We'll eventually get it. We might have to use a little bit of weight. What? You're welcome. Just unplug it and set it down. Okay, go ahead.
3, 2.
That's still not very good, but it is a little better. So if we find a spot that's somewhat okay, I'll make a mark. Like in here, so we can see. Just remember that's a reference point. What we're trying to do right now is make it as good as we can. Sometimes, go ahead. That's better.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's getting better. Okay, so there's 2 spots. I'm going to do all of them. We're not done yet.
Okay.
We've got a lot more to go. So that one and that one are possible. So we're going to get it as good as we can, and then we're going to flip it 180 degrees.
Got it.
See if that helps. Okay, so that one, let's go over one more. And this is where we started, so we've still got a good ways to go. Alright, so that. Okay, go ahead and run up.
3, 2, 1.
It's starting to get better. Do it again. You need to calibrate your throttle too, because it should come on sooner than that.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you.
I remember Nate said to do that.
Yeah, because it shouldn't come on. It should come on right away. Do it again.
3, 2.
Ooh, there we go. That's way better. That's way better. Okay, I'm going to mark that spot too. Might only need a little bit of weight on this, but we'll see. May not need any. You never know. It's another spot right there. Okay.
That's what we've found the best.
So far.
So far, yes.
But there's still more. We've still got half the blades to go on to. Throttle cut's on, right?
Yep.
Still got another. Okay, got another 3 to go. Okay, go.
3, 2, 1. That's okay.
The other one was better, so that's why I made the mark, so we'll know where to go back. And we've got 3 to choose from as being good. So we'll choose those. Okay, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that's way better. That's way better. Okay, so I gotta mark that one too.
I like that one.
It's okay, I'm recording it, so everybody wants to see it, so I'm recording it.
Have you lot of comments about it?
Oh, we'll see after this.
Everybody's jealous of doing it.
Well, I'm trying to show everybody how to do it, but
So
if
far,
they can't,
yours is the best that he's ever done that I've heard.
if they can't on the
Yeah.
F4,
He's done. That was the best.
if they can't get it done, they can always send it to me and I'll do it.
But doesn't it cost?
A little bit. There's not much. I'll only charge. Most of that's going to be shipping, but still. Go
3,
ahead.
2, 1.
That's way better. So I've got a lot of spots to choose
And
from.
you were right. I do need to calibrate my throttle.
Did you not?
No, I didn't know how
I told you
to.
that like 5 times.
I'll
I
show.
didn't
I'll
know
show them
how
how.
to.
I'll show them how.
You just turn it on, you plug it in, full throttle, it'll beep twice, and then you bring the throttle down.
Do it again.
Oh, I know what you mean now.
That's only one blade over, and it sounds that much better. Okay, stop. So we're gonna go back to the good ones and figure out of the ones that I chose,
Yeah,
which is the
so
best.
The last one, though, not this one,
Not
but the
that
last
one.
one we did
It's not as good as this one. So let's
If you
try
calibrate
that one.
your throttle will start a lot earlier.
Right
The
away,
throttle
yeah.
will start like 5%.
And we'll do that the next time. Don't forget I'm recording it. Okay, do it again. I'm recording.
3,
I know.
2, 1.
That one's good. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna try the other ones and see how it compares. There's 3 others. Yeah, 3 others. That one.
So happy it's coming down the runway.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna change eventually. Go again.
3, 2, 1.
That one's really good.
I like that one.
That one's
What do you
really
think?
good.
Wait, watch the after sound.
Yeah, it's on
Still
the.
rubbing again.
It's on the plane. It's not rubbing.
That's not rubbing?
It's on the plane right now. Go. So run it up.
All the way?
Just not all the way. No, just very slowly. About right there. You hear it?
Yeah.
So here it's off the plane. Now it's on the plane.
Oh, okay, that's
Okay, stop. Throttle cut.
Yep, throttle cut's
All
on.
right, let's go back and try the others. That was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try that one. I've made marks so we can see. All right, do it one more time.
3, 2, 1.
You hold it at one throttle, don't move it. There. Okay. There, and then one more.
Throttle cut's on.
Okay, let's do that one. Nope. That last one was the best. Alright, so what we're going to do now, this is the best one. I don't have alcohol with me, so I can't wipe it off, but this is what I do to signify the best one. So, what I'll do is I'll take the pen.
And maybe just rub a
No,
line
hold
on.
on. Let me tell you what I'm doing. You're talking. Don't talk when I'm talking.
Sorry.
Alright, you take this, rub it, and you put it all over that one blade. That lets you know that this is the proper blade. Normally what I do is I take
Got it.
alcohol, and I'll rub off all the other marks that I made.
Got it.
Just so you don't see it. But let's do that. So this is the good one, so we know that. Reinforce that one line. Okay, so now all of that's done. Throttle cuts on.
Throttle cut's on.
Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of weight. So I'm going to take the weight is going to be in the form of duct tape on these.
Okay.
This is the easiest way to do it. There are many ways to do it. This is just the way that I do it. It works. So I'll take. Oh shit! So much for that. Let's get another
Would you like
one.
me to hold it?
Yeah, hold it. So let's hold that one side. Don't
Got
put
it.
your hand all over it because we're going to need to use the tape. Okay, right there. Just going to take 2 pieces. I'm going to cut this in half.
It's gonna be a small
So
piece.
that's all we need. So hold that side just at the very corner. Don't put your fingers all over it because it's going to make it less sticky. Okay.
Because the oil in our fingers,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Okay. So that there. Okay. So now we're going to take this tape and go around all the different spots on here. Now you have to keep your throttle really low, otherwise it's going to blow it off.
Okay.
All right. So I'm just going to start on this line.
Yep.
All right. So go
Ready?
ahead and run it up.
3, 2, 1.
It's already better. It's already way better. Just that little bit. Okay. So we're pretty much there.
Okay.
We just need to go one more. Go over one. Run it up slowly again.
3, 2, 1.
Almost perfect. Okay, stop. And then go over one more. We're not going to run up faster until the tape is on the inside of the cones. Do it again. Don't pulse it. Go to 1 and hold it. There you go. Okay, stop. All you're going to do is go just over idle.
Over idle, got
And
it.
don't pulse it because that makes it harder to figure it out. Okay, do it again.
3, 2, 1. I'm
Okay.
at 18 right now.
Okay, perfect. Just hold it. Whatever it is, just hold it.
Got it.
Because I can still feel it. Okay, so that. Go again.
3, 2, 1.
I'm thinking that first spot we started is going to be the best, but I'm still going to try every one just to be sure.
Are you seeing if it's wobbling or anything?
I feel it, and you can hear it from the resonance in the plane. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's bad. Okay, stop. So we're just going to keep going around until we get to our best point, which was where we started. So again.
3, 2, 1.
Perfect, stop. Still not as good. First spot was the best.
Yeah.
I think that's where we're going to stop, but we'll see. Let's keep going. All right, again.
3, 2, 1.
No, that's really bad. Okay, stop. You can tell right away. You can actually hear the fan. It sounds different when it's right. Okay,
3,
go again.
2, 1.
That's not good. Okay. I think it's probably going to be one of these two. Well, one of these two in here that's going to be good.
What does the tape basically do?
It's just offsetting, so it's
alright.
out of all these spots, this is taking up the light spot. The heavy spot's going to be over here. This is making it lighter. I mean, this is making the light spot heavier.
Alright.
Okay, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, stop. So I think it's probably going to be the spot we started.
3, 2, 1. That sounds good.
That's good. You can hear it, can't you?
Yeah, I can hear it.
So one of these two are going to be the good spot.
Got it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit more tape in both of these spots. So go ahead again. Yeah, this one's the best. Okay, so that's the best spot. So I'm going to add another little piece of tape in that same spot. So I'm going to add. Put one at a time to hold it instead of from the very corner. So we're going to put that there. I'll hold on to this piece until we... Hold on, don't do anything yet. Okay, go ahead and run it up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, stop. That's better. Let's try the other spot. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, run it up again.
3, 2, 1.
Nope. Okay, stop. So let's go over here. Okay, run it up again.
3, 2, 1.
Almost it. Okay, so one more piece of tape. Okay, do it again.
3, 2, 1.
It's actually a little bit worse. So, okay, stop.
It sounds bad.
It sounds better. Better than the last time. So this is our first spot. So we're actually going to use tape in one more spot. So what I'm going to do, see you guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that one little piece of tape off because it sounded better without it. But this is my first spot, my starting point.
Frank's heading out with the yak.
Okay. Well, I'm doing something now, so I'm going to have to wait. See you guys! Alright, so still going. Hope it's not too boring, but at least you guys are seeing what I'm doing. With that one little... Take that one little piece. You don't need that extra piece. Frank?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just flying the yak.
Perfectly balanced that fan is.
That sounds amazing. It has that real jet sound to it when it goes by.
Yep. So I'm trying to get this off. Wait. Forgot how many it says to do it again. So it's 3.
There goes Keon. I can't believe he's driving.
Okay, this is annoying. Didn't get it off, so I'll just put 2 more. Alright, so how many is this? 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Okay, so let's just make more. And that was on this spot. Alright, so I'm going to make 3, and I put them on the inside. What do you got? Hold on, don't get sidetracked. Stop what you're doing. Alright, so hold on to this piece of tape. Got it. One.
Gotta get it right too.
So we had 3, right? That's a little bigger, but still 4. 2. Okay, hold on to this for me, Mike.
Got it.
That's
Got it. Got it.
That's not good. These are plastic only, they don't really tight. Or gauze tape, gauze tube. Alright, so we have the mark. The auto cut's on, right?
Yep.
Okay, so what we're going to do is take the spinner off. Everything's marked, so we know how to put it right back where it was. Spinner off. I know it's going to go right on that mark, so I didn't need to make another mark. Normally what we'll do is make, so we're probably going to use multiple pieces of tape, make a mark here, like right on this. So take that.
What are you basically gonna do now?
Wait and see, I'll show you. So take that, put it more towards the inside, getting all excited over it. So it wants to be, the best spot was towards the
Probably
front.
screaming about Max flying.
So that there, line it out. Line.
So you were gonna put that inside of it?
Yes, it stays inside. And some triple force holds it in.
Oh, because when you spin it, it's gonna
It
hit
tries to make it spin outwards, which is holding it in place.
Sweet.
So that there. There, and then once we get this, I'm going to try something else. These fans are keyed, so I can flip it 180 degrees on the key that's there. So, okay, go ahead and run it up. Wait a minute. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's way better. Still a little buzzy, but we can get that out. Okay, so stop. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this, loosen it. We already know where it's going to go. Take this all the way off. Throttle cut's on, right? Okay, you're getting sidetracked though. We're doing something else now. So pull that off. That comes off. And then we're going to spin it. Pull this all the way up. Okay, so see there's a key right there. So this is the way it was. We're going to turn it 180 degrees that way. And that's it. Let's see if that helps.
Hopefully I made it better.
Okay, so let's see. If not, we'll go right back to where it was.
Got it.
Okay, so that there. That there. Alright, now run it up and let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Nope, it's worse. It's worse, so we're going to go back. Alright, pull that off. There we go. Now it's on the key. Okay. So. So now we already found that spot. So now we're gonna take some weight and try to use those other spots. So we're pretty close right now. So we're gonna run it up. Okay, so it's back.
That's
Okay.
really good.
It's
I
good,
like
but
that.
it's not perfect yet. So that's there. So let's find another spot. I'm just gonna choose a random one this time. There's a spot over there. Run it up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, nope.
Nope. So is it just like a little bit weight difference or something?
Yeah, it's all different. But this from what all the different methods I've used, this works.
3, 2, 1.
Go ahead. Nope. Okay, stop. So I need to start back at a regular place. So I'm gonna go back to here. Go again.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, stop. So there's 3 different positions I'm going to try on this same line. So I'm going to try up there and then at the very top. Let's do it again.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, stop. Do it again.
3, 2, 1.
It's better, but we still gotta keep
The
going.
first time you did it, I liked that.
Yeah, but it's not perfect. It's still making noise, and I'll let you feel it if you want. Go over there.
Okay.
Do it again.
3, 2, 1.
That's better. So it's probably going to get a little better as we go. Again.
3, 2, 1.
It's getting worse. You know what? I remember this. This is normally I go all the way around, but I remember where it got better. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to go backwards. Go that way. Do it again.
3, 3, 2, 1.
Yep. Let's go back this way. This way. Can we go again?
3, 2, 1.
Yep, it's getting
That's
better.
good.
Okay, so I'm going to go forward. Same spot, but there's 2 points in there. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1. That sounded pretty good.
It's good, but it's still making vibration, so one
So you
more.
don't want it to make any vibrations?
None. It will make none. You won't be able to tell the difference between it on or off. That's better. Okay, so I've already got some. Let's see, I need to get some more. Try 2 more. That's a good spot. So let me see if it gets better there, then we just know to keep adding there. But if not, we'll just move to another couple other spots. So hold on to that for me, Mike.
I really like your techniques that you use. I don't know why you use it first.
It takes a little time. Something that's one at a time. So put that there. Alright, run it up. Yeah. Let's not forget what we're doing right now, though.
2, 1.
That's better. Okay, so we need to keep moving because it's getting better, just not quite better yet. So there. Run it up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, stop. Let's go back to here. I know we went back. Just run it up there. Do it again.
3, 2.
That's almost perfect. Good thing I went back. Okay. Yep.
Well, I'm hoping to fly this though.